So look at the dashboard. There is everything. We have check engine, ABS, everything supporting correct, but when you try to start, it doesn't start. Let me try. See, it doesn't start. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. If right now you still have this gadget, then you are still outdated. The mechanic can't tell you, the company can't tell you because they are making money. But let me tell you the truth, this gadget is killing your vehicle slowly. I've been telling you that, but you don't listen. Don't install alarm in any vehicle starting for 2012 up to date. This vehicle has all those, one of the best central locking features that you need. See, also one of the best security that you need. Stay away from this gadget. At the end of the day, you're the one. It's costing you a lot. It's going to kill your central lockings. It's going to kill your, we normally call the body control module. It's going to kill your keys. This gadget is the one causing the lost communication. We have another gadget we call timer or cutoff. They're the one causing what we call the lost communication, because this gadget cannot communicate with the vehicle because they are not compatible. When you use an alarm for 3 years, the original central locking of the vehicle normally fails. Another thing, when you use an alarm for 4 years, even push to start button fails. When you want to start your vehicle, you must make sure that key touches the push to start button or car to start. Please, this is the rubbish. I'm telling you the truth. Don't try to this gadget on your vehicle, especially 2012 model up to date. And I have a proof. Look, this person was stranded at night. The central lockings failed. They are not working. When he managed to open the door, the start and push button failed, so he was not able to start the vehicle. So when I went there, I find out that there was a short circuit in the brake system, and that had been caused by the alarm, and the body control module fuse was blown. So I was curious to find out what happened. So when I went through, I found out that the person who installed the alarm, he installed the alarm in the wrong way. That's the first step. The second thing, I found out that the alarm normally fails after 3 or 4 years of use. So please stay away from those gadgets. I'm not against those company, but the truth is that alarm is not compatible with a new vehicle. It's good gadget, but use it in a correct way. Number one, if you have a vehicle and the central locks are not working, use the alarm. Number two, when your vehicle doesn't have the central locking system, then it's recommended to install the alarm. But please, the new vehicle, don't install the new alarm cutoff timer. So after removing the alarm, see, and replacing the new fuse, everything's working perfect. See, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.